No.
Are you serious? It's called
Maybe.
the Bloopers. Just
look at this guy, Hulk Hogan.
Let this be an introduction for
Okay.
your Fatal Atomic.
Okay, this.
Race GS.
Wait, shit.
This is actually.
Whatever your name.
He's currently known as Fatal Atomic. That's Ratty Omega. Beast mode. And that's Anti-Ben. Okay, start intro. Okay, now you can stop.
I don't want to stop.
Fatty.
Can't make me, bitch.
Wait, no, you can't see the product.
Damn it. And this is Big Pink Penis Man. Look, hey, don't touch him.
Hey, who are you? To tell people what to do. Aww.
Stop it. This is animal cruelty on camera. You won't find this anywhere else.
Bestiality.
This is hot. You won't find this anywhere else.
Okay, shut up now.
Okay. Cut! Okay, I'm about to break the world record for the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, I already scrambled my Rubik's Cube. Okay, are you ready for this? This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. What's the record? 4 seconds?
Yeah, I think it's
4 seconds. Okay, this is 3.12 seconds.
3.12.
Okay, that's Michael. Someone get Michael. Steven, go tell Michael to wake up.
Okay, wait for Michael. Wait for Michael. Okay, fine then.
No!
No, just do it. Do it.
Okay,
No.
Okay, ready? And Shazam! You missed! You missed! I am about to... keep going. I'm about to break the world record for the fastest Rubik Cube. The record's like 4 seconds?
Yeah, I think it's 4 seconds.
3.12 seconds by Rage GS. www.myspace.com. Tupac for life. 4.
Maximala.
6.
Yeah, it was 6.
Michael Jackson.
Who's that?
Mariah's a bitch.
Okay, ready?
Jordan too.
Shazam! You missed again!
Dude, you suck. My turn. Give it to me.
Ready?
Making an introduction.
Okay, okay.
Put down the
And
hand. Put down the freaking
start.
hand.
Start.
Okay. It's been started.
Did you start?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Did you really start?
Yeah, it did start.
He did.
Okay.
Yeah,
You started. You started. Go.
You really sort of got it?
Yeah, I did.
Stop it! Okay. This is Fatal Atomic. What are you doing?
That's sort of like a camera angle.
No, an introduction, dude.
Do the Matrix.
Oh, okay.
This is Fatal Atomic. Okay, he's the conductor for the YouTube videos. That's the Big Mike.
94. Yeah.
Bitch.
Anti-Ben.
Fuck you.
Rage GS. Rage GS. Rage GS. Rage GS.
Dude, why were you taping my nuts?
Oh, with the show, come on.
Are they that
Rage
magnificent?
GS and our Anti-Ben and our elegant cameraman, Steven.
Alright.
Alright, I'm about to perform the world record for the
My nuts
fastest
are magnificent.
Rubik's Cube. 3.12 seconds.
Okay.
The fastest is what, 4 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
They really need to know why really